after I delivered my baby, now my hair is thinning. It's become very dry, frizzy. I'm not really liking. The ends are very bad. There's a lot of breakage. I've heard a lot about you, so I want something very different, like a makeover.
How old is your baby now?
She's 1 year now.
1 year. Are you still breastfeeding, or you stopped?
No, I've stopped.
You stopped?
Yeah.
Did the hair fall started after you stopped?
It's
or
actually
before?
Started like I think 3-4 months before.
3-4 months before you stopped breastfeeding?
Yeah.
How old is your baby? 1 year?
1 year, yeah.
So in 1 year, your hair will not grow this much and have all this short hair from here to there.
Right.
Means this is a build-up of a lot of breakage.
That's true.
In 1 year, you might have, if it started, let's say 6 months ago.
6 months ago,
Let's say the hair fall started 6 months ago. In 6 months, you should see short hair all the way to here. So when you look at the hair and you see a lot of breakage everywhere,
right,
and the hair is quite dry, means this is beyond hair fall related to after birth.
Right.
Okay. Now, when I look at your hair, it's quite fine and fragile, and it's very dry.
Yeah.
In the camera, actually, it doesn't show much, but when you feel it, there's a good amount of dryness in it.
Right.
You showed me earlier before we started that you want to go slightly shorter.
Yes.
The thing is, the shorter I go, the hair will look more rounded.
Right.
So the problem here is the hair texture more than the haircut.
Yes.
And if I want to target the top layers as well and remove a good amount of the most thin ends to make it recover as fast as possible, I have to be sure you don't end up with a rounded shape.
Rounded, yes.
So everything leads me back to the issue with the texture. Now, if I manage to get you a really healthy texture and put the short, the medium, and the long hair all in one direction,
right,
the tangle will stop. Okay. Tangle is behind as well the pooling on the roots. So if your roots now, if your follicles now are very weak,
right,
because of the imbalance of the hormones after you start feeding, means as well the pooling will cause more hair fall. And if you do have a little bit of oily roots, that as well contribute. I don't know if you do or not.
Right.
You do have a bit of oily roots?
It is oily, yeah, little towards the oily
so
side.
The tangle leads to more pooling, the pooling leads to more hair fall, and the tangle as well leads to more breakage. Right. So my issue here is the tangle. Every time you wash it and you brush it, you have to release those tangles that add breakage and add pressure on the ends, which cause hair fall and add breakage. What we need to do, we need to get rid of the tangle, make the hair fall, all of it, the short and the long, in one direction.
Right.
Then I know that I eliminated 90% of your problems. Okay?
I trust you completely.
Then if I take a good amount of the lens to recover it faster, it's good. If I want to go with a nice haircut and give you a bit of movement, then I wouldn't need to worry about the puffiness.
That's true.
You showed me earlier that you want some lighter colors. Your hair is not in a position to lighten it now.
Okay.
Okay, I know you have this strand of gray which you don't like it.
Yeah.
We can give you a nice chocolate color to give it a bit of something closer to your natural without messing up with your virgin roots too much. And we can give a bit of shinier color on the lens, and that's it. Let's rely on getting the hair as healthy and as strong as possible, eliminate all the causes to further damage and breakage.
Right.
Then in the future, we can start thinking about going lighter.
Okay.
Okay. So treatment and cutting, this is my priority today.
Yeah.
The color, I will just take you to something really healthy and shiny.
Okay. I completely trust you. That's why I'm here. So I leave it up to you.
Thank you.
It totally makes sense, because I agree, if I totally go short, my hair will look very puffy, which I don't want, because my face is also a little round, so I don't want it to look bigger.
Okay, I can give you the breakdown of the price, then we can start.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It should feel much lighter.
Yes,
I cut all that split ends.
Yeah.
But the beauty of the color is now showing, the thickness is showing back.
Nice. The quality seems very good.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You treat the hair, you cut a good amount from the top layers. I literally cut almost this much.
Right.
And the same from the length.
Yeah.
So this should feel like a brand new hair.
But the hair looks very healthy and nice.
That was the whole plan.
The texture, very
That's the whole plan.
good. Yeah,
Beautiful.
very happy.
And you see how fuller looks now?
Yeah, it looks
Just
much
from-
fuller. Yeah, with those thin ends that I had, this looks so much
It's gone.
healthier. Yeah,
I end up giving you as well a bit of rounded shape here, so you
Right.
feel like there is some movement to it. A bit of a lighter, shorter layer on the top, so you can
Right.
flip your hair right and left. So it
Yeah.
gives you as well the bounce.
bounce. Yeah, I'm very happy.
Feel the texture anyway.
Yeah, looks very good.
And this is with just a quick dry. Good.
Love it.
I'm gonna stand there for a minute. Yeah, it's beautiful. Let's see the hair from the top. Okay, look down slightly a little bit. Yeah, the shine of the color of the chocolate. The other side. A bit down, yes. Stunning.
Looks
That's
very
it.
good.
Thank you, darling. You look
Thank
amazing.
You so much.
You look, and
Thank
you look
you,
great.
Rami.
You look.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.